afternoon, gentlemen. Are you the one here?
Yeah, I'm the one.
Where is my friend Anderson?
He don't go out. He's coming. What do you want, sir?
I want you to clean me up.
No problem. Sit down. I mean, they here. I mean, they work for around here.
Okay. Hope you know how to do it well, like my friend.
Wait, now my dog.
You can be prosecuted for that.
Waiting.
You want to kill me?
What do you mean? Kill you?
What do you mean? What do I mean?
How will I kill you? I just want to do this. You see,
It's too tight now.
I have to tie it so that
Is that how you do your work?
You say you want make I clean you. Abi?
Did I ask you to strangle me?
Okay, sorry. I don't strangle you now. I just want make the thing get tight so that hair no go touch your body. Make the thing tight. Just let us do the thing. Oga, wait. Oga, wait now.
What's wrong with you?
You are shouting.
Are you sure you're a barber?
Do I look like carpenter?
I said you should clean me up. I didn't say you should kill me.
Okay, sorry then. Okay, sorry. I will do it now. No, I don't do this thing.
Oh, Jesus.
I don't do it since the Biafra war. How like
It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay like this?
Yeah.
Okay, no shout now.
It's okay.
Okay. No worry, I'll do it for you very fine. Not be my work. Not my work. Wetin be this?
Wetin be what?
Oga, you offend God.
How? How do you mean?
The way the thing look like, it be like saying that God slapped you like this for forehead.
Oh my God.
See, hair dey here. God be like say God vex, God slap you like this.
What is your business with that now? I said you should clean me up. Listen, I'm not doing it.
Wait.
I'm not doing it.
Hey.
I said I'm not doing it again.
Wait now.
I'm not doing it again.
What's happening?
This man, I want to barb him. He just the drag with me. See
You
him
want to
head.
barb him, so do you have to choke your customer?
No, I dey tell him to make him wait. Make him at least. You have to.
Let me have the clipper.
Wait.
Let me have the clipper.
He didn't release his head for me.
That's enough.
Will you keep quiet?
You've been doing this to my customers. You've changed several of my customers away. I can't take this anymore.
No, now this man,
No, that's not how to barb.
He's too stubborn.
You told me you are a professional barber. But
Tell me,
I can't take this anymore.
Which
Trust
one?
me.
This one? This stupid, useless man. That is the barber. What did you tell my son? What did you tell my son?
Madam,
No,
just
what
calm
did you tell
down.
my son?
What did I tell your
You
son?
tell me. What did he say to you?
What did your son tell you?
He said he doesn't need a barber. His barber is in heaven.
Look at see. Look at this boy.
This foolish one. Don't touch his head. Don't touch his
Not be
head.
dreadlock be this.
Uh-huh.
Not be from heaven. Now in the back.
So that's why you say you should go to heaven. His barber is here.
Madam, just.
He come to
I mean,
me.
just shut up.
Calm
Where
down.
you see this car man?
Calm down.
You tell my son said his barber there heaven.
will you
No,
shut
who are you?
Where did you get this man from?
Eh?
Okay, it's my
But
mistake.
when
He nearly killed me.
Just
This one a barber.
calm down.
the boy get dreadlock and he come meet
Can
me
you
say
take
Go do this job not be for you.
Listen,
Let me go
listen.
and do bricklayer. Let me go
That's
do
all right.
better for you. This job not be for
Just
you.
look at your colleagues. None of them is
This
giving
job
you
not be
stuff.
for you. You
Look
dey
at
tell this
them.
barber in barber dey
Can you take
help.
this
You
off,
want make
please?
my pikin die?
Take that off,
I
please.
beg,
You know dey fear?
I didn't say make your son die. I said he address
Can
and
you
go for
take this
heaven.
off?
Hey, what's that supposed to mean?
Not be from heaven. Now he carry this hair come.
Look at that.
See, you better get rid of him.
I will sort him
He
out.
will
I will-
this one will drive
Madam,
everybody
madam,
away from you.
I will barb you
See
now.
him, see him.
I will barb you right now myself.
But this boy.
Can you take this off, please?
But I beg now.
Take that off,
What
please.
is the beg for?
I don't get any other
Take
job.
that
Break
off.
it, go. Bricklayer dead here.
Which bricklayer? What?
Go do bus driving. Go do bus driving.
Which
Bus driving. This
You
one.
even go kill people.
Yeah, take that off, please.
Anderson, no
Take
worry.
that.
No worry.
Take-
You know
Hey.
say that.
I don't want problem.
You these people. You know say you come out food
If
from my
I
mouth.
hear a single
Come on,
word
food
from
from
you
my
now,
Now you come out food for your mouth. You not sabi the job.
Don't
You
go-
want to kill me?
Thank you.
Who want to kill
You.
Don't go come out food from
Yes,
my
yes,
Let
mouth.
go.
yes.
You're not a good father.
Anderson, I beg now.
They go. Thank you. Thank you. Sit down.
Enough of thank you.
You know, say not be like
Can you
this.
just go straight back to your place? Thank you. Madam.
But I dey beg you. Eh?
The young man, just wait there for me. Let me sort this man that I will grab you. Thank you. I'm really sorry, sir.
This is too much.
That's all right. Let me get my keys.
I did not pay to come and get key.
That's all right. Let me get my keys. Yes, sir.